My motivation actually goes back to when I was in high school, believe it or not, in the last century.
Just yesterday.
Yeah, really, and this is a true story. I actually remember sitting in high school in study hall writing down what I didn't like about high school.
Yeah.
I was one of these kids that was pretty creative, out of the box, bored.
Yeah.
Just bored tremendously with high school. Luckily, I got into college because my father really pressed me to do that, and I kind of never left. But I've always had this passion for teaching and learning. That it wasn't until Mitch Daniels, our current president, and I talked to him about this, that the idea really started taking off. And of course, to have support at the top level is
right.
really, really important. And so it's really, timing is everything.
Without that connection, I think students really struggle to understand and have the motivation to learn. And so taking that forward into, the years that I was CEO at Employ Indy and watching, again, young people leaving high school and not having opportunities to head on to further education because they didn't excel in high school. It didn't connect for them. They probably were a lot like me. That they didn't, really understand why they needed to learn. And then having to retrain them multiple times in new workforce skills. And so being able to bring those things together, right, is what really excites me about what we're doing.
Well, for me, it's kind of dual. I mean, like you, my high school experience is fine, right? I went through it. I'm like everybody else. I persevered. And
that's right.
To me, high school should be more than just about persevering through it. It should be about something, it's the exploration, it's the passion of that.